After a wonderful extended stay in Antigua and a repaired rig that is stronger than ever, we set our sights on visiting several French islands, including Guadeloupe, Marie-Galante, Saintes and Martinique. The 40 nautical mile sail from Falmouth Harbor, Antigua to Des Guadeloupe presented perfect sailing conditions to shake down our freshly repaired rig. The approach to Guadeloupe is beautiful, and the anchorage of Des is dramatic. The shallow part of the anchorage is filled with mooring balls, thus the depths for anchoring are a bit deep, and there's a quick, steep drop-off. But we were able to find a nice spot in about 28 feet. The water is generally beautifully clear. Great snorkeling opportunities, including the Jacques Cousteau National Marine Park on the west coast of Guadeloupe, as well as all of our anchorages. The topography of these islands is very hilly and mountainous, except for Marie-Galante, which is commonly described as a pancake. A difficult aspect of these French islands is the language barrier. Navigating restaurants and shops is not really a problem, but more complicated transactions such as trying to secure a local SIM card for data, or renting a car, or finding a specific boat part can all be quite challenging with the language. We've become fans of the Google Translate app. My favorite experience on Guadeloupe was exploring the rainforest on foot with my son and his girlfriend. Sailing from Guadeloupe to Marie-Galante requires beating into the easterlies. We picked a day with relatively low winds and seas, departing from Pigeon Island, Guadeloupe, at around sunrise. Marie-Galante was great for morning swims in the crystal clear water of our anchorage, as well as some interesting hiking along the coast. The sail from Marie-Galante to Saintes was a fun downwind sleigh ride. Saintes was abundant with activity and scrumptious food. A massively rigorous hike up Fort des Chameaux, and a day exploring hidden side streets and beaches throughout the hilly island on electric bikes. Our stay on Martinique was brief and limited to 2 lovely anchorages on the southwestern coast, Grande Anse and Anse d'Arlet, where I was able to swim each day and buy freshly caught marlin. From Martinique, we continued our sailing southward. And more to come next time from St. Lucia and beyond.